election process as planned. A two-day window set by the FKF Electoral Board to submit disputes regarding the nominated delegates for the forthcoming elections came to an end today. The board published the final list of delegates ahead of the county polls set for March 14 and the national polls scheduled for March 27.
We want to assure the country that we are taking this process very, very seriously. And we want to ensure that it's going to be transparent and a very, very open process.
The football elections have been rocked by uncertainty with the Sports Dispute Tribunal ruling on the same set for March 17.
We cannot have another election exercise because it is not necessary. To do so, we are dragging Kenya into a corner of elections that we do not need because of a clear leadership and a clear political support.
Under the new football laws, the county and not the sub-branch is the base of football representation in the country. 7 of the 10 aspirants seeking the National Executive Committee positions are unopposed, while 36 out of the 48 aspirants vying for the positions at the county level are also unopposed.
Sasa wewe kama rais ukisema kama unataka sisi tulete stakabadhi zetu tuweze kugombania, na huku umetuwekea sheria kwamba nyinyi kwa sababu hamkuwa katika federation kwa miaka mitatu then hamqualify. Sasa una expect vitu upinzani, kwa sababu huyo upinzani ambaye anautaka sio upinzani, sisi tunataka upinzani wa haki.
Meanwhile, the clock ticks towards the end of March deadline issued by the Football World Governing Body, FIFA. Brian Twal, NTV Sport.
And finally, Chelsea take on Liverpool at 10:45 p.m. tonight as teams continue their hunt for an FA Cup quarter-final slot ahead of Wednesday's draw. Last night, Arsenal put aside their Europa League exit disappointment to cruise into the quarter-finals with a 2-0 win at Portsmouth. The Gunners bagged victory thanks to goals by defender Socrates and striker Eddie Nketiah. Either side of half-time, 30th Conte had not beaten Arsenal since a 5-4 league victory in 1958. But they caused the Gunners plenty of problems before a deadlock was broken just before the break.
So sharp. Like that.
And that's the latest sports news. Have a good evening.
TV Sport, your source station with more updates. SMS NTV to 29990. All the fans and good content get your fresh back. Television, time and condition apply.
Well, thank you, Sean Carlos and Sports Team for wrapping it up for us. And we're going to have Barsha Marquardt from the whole entire news team across.
Sidebar is coming up next. Kevin Jungo is hosting a panel discussion on the crisis in the north, and the discussion will shed light on what's happening in the northeast and also touch on the legislature's visit to Somalia, why and if the Foreign Affairs Ministry is angry, and what could possibly have been the benefit of that trip.
Professor Peter Kagwanja of the Africa Policy Institute, former presidential advisor Abdul Kadir Mohammed, and the All of Africa expert Rashid Abdi will be on Sidebar tonight, straight after the bulletin in a few minutes.
We thought it wise to engage our neighboring country, Somalia, so that we can be able to attend to the issue of insecurity, which is affecting our common also.
In the relation between countries, when you think they're citizens, you need to behave in a certain way. It's called treason. We met with the representatives for the road as our president. And he challenged us as well, saying, go back to your people, go and knock every door, and please help people in constant insecurity.
Our government relocates the people who are illegally in our border, armed soldiers, which are numbering 100 plus. Half of Mandela Town are now being deserted.
This is where the real conversation happens.
That's coming up in just a moment. Thanks to our sign language interpreter David Agandura. So we leave it and simply to the outreach. Good night.
I'm off with that. Good night.
TV. I help women find independence by training them in fish farming, double with back, joints, and can cause headaches.